Tyler, give Papa tight hugs. Tight, tight. Squeeze him tight, squeeze him tight, squeeze him, squeeze him. Give him a big kiss. Whoa. Look here. Say good morning, Faves.
I'm going a bath.
You're having a bath.
I'm so red about.
Say good morning, Faves. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it's early in the morning, and I'm up, and I'm deciding that after the long weekend, I'm going to take today and rest. Let's see if that's going to happen.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
It's crocodile.
It's crocodile. So I'm actually giving Nugget a bath. Giving Tyler a bath.
Mama.
Yes.
Under the water. Look under water.
The crocodile is under the water. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day and has recovered from the long Easter break, and you know, staying productive and staying positive and staying lovely as usual. Baby's off to work. He's gone back to work today. So it's just Tyler and I chilling today. I don't have work today, so I'll be home. And this is the part where he's gonna start crying. It's okay, sit, sit. It's okay, baby, sit, 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 sit.
No, no, no.
Look at Mama, hold your head like this. Voila. Bravo. Bravo. Move your hand. Open it now. Look at Mama. Hold your head up. Yeah. Good boy. Keep it like that. Up, up. Bravo. This is the only way you guys can get him to watch his hair without him crying. Hold your head up. Head up. Head up. Bravo. Head up. Head up. Head up. Up.
Up.
Up. Head up. Like this. Up. Wow. If I ever turn on this pipe, he starts crying and flip. Yes. Head up. Head up. Head up. Bravo. Head up. Head up. Bravo. Head up. Head up. But head up. 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 Head up. 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 Head 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 up. Bravo. Head up. Head up. Head up. Head up, head up, head up, head up, head up, up, head up, head up, head up. You're watching all the success. Look at him. He's playing hide and seek with his toys in the bath. Time do not give me kiss. I love you. See Faves there? I'm going to nap. Yeah, Yisha broken and it's in the bin. Good job.
If you do the bin, a bin, if you do stop cry.
Yeah, stop cry. Good job. Alright, go nap.
Mama.
Yes, baby. You guys, this kid is just so smart. It's not even funny. He was just telling you guys that he put Faves in the bin and mama said to stop cry. See, he's gone to bed. It's day 4 and he doesn't care about his pacifier anymore. He said, Mama, it's in the bin. He's just naughty. So you see, when kids are ready to get rid of things, you just help them along the way and he'll be all right. He figures he's a big boy now and he knows his time and he's just ready. So let's see how long this is gonna last, but I love it. Since we're staying in today, of course we're gonna do indoor activities and we're gonna do his favorite. What's your favorite?
I'm going to paint.
Yeah, he loves to paint. So we are going painting. His little vest. Ready to paint?
Ready to paint.
Alright. Finish. Wow. He says he's finished, guys. Let's see your masterpiece. Oh, Ty, that's pretty. Pretty. Good job. High five. Bravo. You guys, it is such a rainy day out today. It's been raining all day, non-stopping. There we go. It's just been raining. Anyway, rainy means food. So I'm here making dinner for the fam real quick. So for dinner, I am making quinoa, and of course this is my easy go-to quinoa. These are quinoa which are already seasoned, so all I did is just add some salt to my water and then I'm gonna add this to it. So it's gonna be quinoa, green beans, and some chicken liver. Wait, I'm coming. Go, I'm coming. So this is dinner, you guys. Green beans, quinoa, and chicken liver. Ready. So that's Tyler dinner out to cool. That's his sauce. He likes his sauce not on the food. So that's dinner for Tyler. It's dinner time. Oink, 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 oink. You ready for dinner? You ready for dinner? Look here. It's session. It's hot.
Look at.
There's nothing in there, but that's quinoa, beans, and liver. That's sauce. Session. Go, silly. It's hot, okay, Mama?
Ici, voilà, sur la tête, mais pas dans la bouche. Sinon, le crabe, il va pincer ta là. Chop, 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 c'est le crabe. Chop, 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 chop. Ça, c'est quoi, ça?
The rituals.
Étoile. Étoile de mer. Oui, t'as là.
Food.
C'est crocodile vert. C'est crocodile. C'est alors c'est tortue.
La tortue, elle est là, la tortue?
D'abord
Oui.
un chien.
Un chien.
Un chien.
Oui, il fait quoi comme bruit le chien?
Wouf wouf. Wouf wouf.
Ok. Et à côté du chien, c'est quoi?
Wouf wouf.
C'est quoi à côté du chien?
Sit. Sit.
Hein?
Wouf wouf.
Oui, à côté du chien là, c'est quoi?
Wouf wouf.
Non, ça c'est quoi ça?
Ça c'est canard.
Et il fait quoi le canard?
Quoi quoi.
Quoi? Et ça c'est quoi ça?
C'est nous.
Et il fait quoi l'ours?
T'as bien.
Hein?
Teddy bear. C'est night night fam. See you tomorrow. Blow them kisses. Go. Mwah. Yes, wet up my lens.
Bye bye.
Subscribe.
Catch up on Bebop. Go catch up on Bebop. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Say thumbs up. Comment down below. Catch up and keep up.
Catch up on Bebop.
Hit the notification bell.
Bye.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Get tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Tyler, give Papa tight hugs. Tight, tight. Squeeze him tight. Squeeze him tight. Squeeze him. Squeeze him. Give him a big kiss. Whoa. Alright. I look like a little schoolgirl.
You're a little schoolgirl. You're a little schoolgirl. You're my little schoolgirl.
You guys, the day has come to an end. And it's time for us to come and end the vlog.
Oh, to go to bed.
And to go to bed. Tomorrow is a rough day for me.
Yeah, for me too.
The Jamaican expression is, if it not go so, it nearly go so.
If it not go so, it nearly goes so.
Yes. Simple mean when somebody ran a joke with you or whatever somebody say to you, there's a little bit of truth in it.
Okay.
You get it?
I get it. I get it.
What's the French expression for today?
Être dans la lune.
What does that mean?
To be in the moon.
Okay, I know, but what does that mean?
Be in the moon mean to be away, like a dreamer. Somebody you
Oh,
talk to
to
this
dream,
person.
to be in dreamland.
Oh yeah, to
That's
be
what
in
you're saying, Jamaica,
dreamland.
to be in dreamland.
Yeah, in French.
Okay, you
To
guys.
be in the moon.
Say it.
Être dans la lune.
Être dans la lune. Hey, my heart, turn up tonight and have nothing
Yeah,
on me.
but you don't say loon.
Anyway,
Say lune.
anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, tell you guys everything what to do earlier, but give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, hit the notification bell, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and
We'll see you guys tomorrow.